Someone once said, your wings are already there, all you have to do is fly. So today, we're going to take flight, safely of course. Join us as we explore the safest private jets, top 5 picks for 2024. We'll not only count down our top 5 picks but also discuss what makes a private jet safe, the latest safety tech in private jets, and how Autoland systems are changing the game. Stick around till the end, and you'll be all set to fly with confidence. Don't forget to show Luxo-Life some love, and let's get started. Let's begin by answering the question, how to tell if a private jet is safe. As we all know, safety is a top concern when it comes to flying privately. To ensure you're on a jet that prioritizes safety, you'll need to look at a few key factors. First, check how well the jet meets safety standards. Private jets must adhere to strict guidelines set by aviation authorities like the FAA and EASA. These standards cover everything from the jet's design to its maintenance. Next, consider the latest safety technology on board. Modern jets come equipped with advanced systems such as collision avoidance technology and real-time health monitoring. Finally, look into how often the jet is checked and certified. Safety audits and certifications, like those from Wyvern and Argus, play a vital role. They involve detailed inspections and regular safety checks to ensure the jet is in excellent condition and that all safety protocols are followed. By keeping these factors in mind, you'll be well on your way to choosing a private jet that keeps safety front and center. That said, here's a look at the top 5 private jets in 2024, ranked from safe to safest. Number 5. Embraer Phenom 300E. At number 5, we have the Embraer Phenom 300E, which is highly praised for its impressive safety features. This jet is known for its advanced safety systems, making it a reliable choice for private flying. One standout feature is the runway overrun awareness and alerting system. This system helps prevent accidents by alerting pilots if they're approaching the runway too quickly. Combined with a cabin that offers excellent altitude control and minimal noise, the Phenom 300E ensures a smooth and safe flight experience. Number 4. Bombardier Challenger 3500. At number 4, we have the Bombardier Challenger 3500, which builds on the success of the Challenger 350 with some impressive upgrades. This jet is celebrated for its enhanced safety features, making it a strong contender for those who value security during their flights. One of the key advancements in the Challenger 3500 is its synthetic vision system. This technology provides pilots with a detailed real-time view of the terrain and weather conditions, helping them navigate safely and avoid potential hazards. The multi-scan weather radar is another valuable addition, offering real-time updates on weather patterns to keep flights smooth and secure. These advanced features work together to track flight conditions as they happen, allowing for quick adjustments if needed. This helps prevent issues before they become problems and ensures a more reliable flying experience. Number 3. Gulfstream G700 and G800. Third on our list are the Gulfstream G700 and the G800, both of which are the forefront of private jet safety. These models showcase impressive advancements that make them stand out in terms of secure flying. The Gulfstream G800 in particular features a symmetry flight deck and an enhanced flight vision system. These technologies are designed to make the pilot's job easier by providing clearer information and reducing their workload. The Symmetry Flight Deck offers a modern, intuitive interface, while the EFVs help pilots see through poor weather conditions and darkness, and enhancing overall safety. Both the G700 and G800 are equipped with the latest avionics, which play a crucial role in supporting safe and efficient flight operations. These advanced systems ensure that pilots have the best tools available to manage the aircraft and respond to any issues that may arise. At number 2, Dassault Falcon 8X. Second on our list is the Dassault Falcon 8X, which is renowned for its outstanding safety features. This jet is a top choice for private travel due to its advanced technology and reliable performance. One of the key safety features of the Falcon 8X is its Easy 3 avionics system. This system provides pilots with clear and comprehensive information, helping them manage the aircraft more effectively. Additionally, the Falcon Eye combined vision system enhances visibility by integrating both visual and infrared images, allowing pilots to see clearly even in poor weather conditions. These advanced systems work together to give pilots superior control and situational awareness. This means that they can make informed decisions and respond quickly to any potential issues, significantly boosting the safety of each flight. And number 1, Cessna Citation Latitude. The last, but definitely not the least on our list is the Cessna Citation Latitude, which stands out as the safest private jet in 2024. This jet is highly praised for its exceptional safety features, making it a top choice for secure private flying. The Citation Latitude comes equipped with a Garmin G500 avionics system, which provides pilots with a clear and detailed view of the aircraft's surroundings. This system helps with navigation and ensures that pilots have all the information they need to make safe decisions during the flight. Additionally, the Garmin synthetic vision technology offers a virtual view of the terrain even in poor visibility conditions. Another key feature is the Linux real-time monitoring system. This technology keeps track of the aircraft's health and performance in real time, alerting pilots to any issues that might arise. This proactive approach allows for quick responses to potential problems, ensuring that the flight remains safe and smooth. Now that we have given you our top 5 picks for the safest private jets, let's move forward to the latest safety tech in private jets. Several groundbreaking technologies are becoming standard in the world of private aviation, making flights safer than ever before. One of the most exciting advancements is autonomous flight systems. These systems can assist pilots with many tasks, reducing their workload and helping them make better decisions. By automating certain functions, these systems also lower the risk of human error, which can be a critical factor in flight safety. How Autoland systems are changing jet safety. Before we end, let's talk about Autoland systems. These innovative systems are making a big difference in aviation safety by adding an extra layer of security for both pilots and passengers. Autoland systems are designed to take over the control of an aircraft and land it automatically in case of an emergency. This is incredibly valuable if the pilot becomes incapacitated or if there's a sudden need for emergency landing. By handling the landing process itself, these systems greatly reduce the risk of accidents caused by human error. Jets like the Honda Jet are the forefront of this technology, showcasing how Autoland systems can enhance safety and reliability. With these systems, passengers and pilots alike can feel more secure, knowing that advanced technology is there to support them in critical moments. And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed today's journey through the world of private jet safety. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and let us know what you think in the comments. Share it with your friends who might find it interesting, and if you're new to Luxo-Life, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, Luxo lovers!